In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek Coder. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. DeepSeek Coder is an advanced AI coding assistant that enhances productivity with accurate code completions, debugging, and multi-language support. It streamlines development workflows, making coding faster and more efficient. To use the coder in DeepSeek, start by describing what you want to create. For example, if you need a web page with a customizable background and interactive icons, simply tell DeepSeek, "Code an interactive web page with a customizable background and interactive icons." Once you input the prompt, DeepSeek will generate the necessary HTML code almost instantly. The process is seamless. First, the HTML structure appears, forming the foundation of your web page. Right after that, the tool generates the CSS code, styling the page to match the desired look and feel. Following that, DeepSeek provides JavaScript code to add interactivity. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes explanations, helping you understand how each part of the code functions within the web page. After receiving the code, you can run it directly in your preferred development environment. If any modifications are needed, simply tweak the code based on the explanations provided. The tool ensures that even those with minimal coding experience can create a fully functional web page in minutes. By following the steps and understanding the provided guidelines, you can customize and optimize your web page effortlessly. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.